Hello everyone! Today I will show you umobile useful USSD codes in Malaysia. These secret codes.
To check your umobile balance, simply dial *118# on your phone. If you forgot your umobile number, dial *118*6*2# to see your number instantly. To reload your prepaid credit, dial *138*voucher code hash. To buy or manage your internet data packages, dial *118*3#. To check your remaining mobile data, dial *118*3*1#. To transfer credit to another umobile user, dial *118*7#. If you need help, call 1318 to contact umobile customer service.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful SIM card tips and USSD codes.